Welcome to Briefcam Bootcamp. This is Gili Rom, and today Seva Liakomovich and I will be reviewing how you can leverage proximity filters for efficient contact tracing using the Briefcam Video Content Analytics platform. So video-based contact tracing is very relevant to workplaces or to any other facilities where the person's image can be really correlated to their ID. So at the core of this use case lies the need to really understand the interactions between individuals over time and locations, and then be able to trace an infected or suspected person's contact with other individuals. So what this means, the ability to, first of all, detect people who the infected person interacted with across time and locations, identify them over time, and then be able to reach out to them, and then also provide some proof or compliance regarding the ability to actually conduct contact tracing. So with Briefcam's review module, we can forensically review video to identify and trace individuals using facial recognition, appearance similarity, and now also with our new proximity identification, which is a new technology that allows investigator or the contact tracer to further accelerate their time to target, if you will, based on distance and time filters that Seva will show us here just momentarily. So what does efficient video-based contact tracing mean with Briefcam? So here is a quick step-by-step guide. We start off with the actual medical testing, of a confirmed or even a suspect case. We upload the individual's image to Briefcam and then run a rapid video search of the person with facial recognition as well as with appearance similarity. Then we identify their appearances across time and cameras using the built-in watch list. And then now we can really actually contact trace by pinpointing to the people that our case has interacted with, and really accelerate our time to target with them and provide them the relevant guidance. So with that, perhaps, Seva, I'll hand it over to you if you can show a little bit what that looks like in the software.
Sure thing. Thanks so much, Gili. So I'll kind of show, first of all, the back end of how the engine using 3D scene modeling technology, we can estimate the actual depth and location of the objects, even within just a 2D camera content. So you could see that each object is tracked and it showing how far they are from the person next to them, along with a timestamp of how long they were in contact. So this is kind of the behind the scenes of how the technology would work. So you can see the distance is dynamic, it changes continuously, and the timer counts as well. And how it can be used in a real life scenario. So we can see this is Briefcam in a review. This is a case. From here, we can use face recognition. We can upload a face of someone that was potentially confirmed to have COVID. We can upload them as a filter. And we can see all the results of them throughout the scene, throughout the different cameras. Using those results, we can select all the objects. Now we can add them to our new proximity filter. And then from here, you pick the threshold. So anytime that they're closer than 2 meters apart to someone for longer than 5 seconds, for example, you could apply this as a filter, and then you'll see all the results of the people that they came in contact with. But if you don't actually have a face picture of their face, you can use our appearance similarity filter. So from here, same idea, we can view all the objects. We can select one that we care about. So for example, on the second row, the person at 753, we know that they potentially were infected. So we could select them, add them as an appearance similarity filter. And then this will show all the objects that look similar across the cameras from a metadata standpoint. From here, now we can add them again to a proximity filter, select the thresholds, so closer than 2 meters and then longer than 5 seconds. Apply this filter, and now we'll see all the matching results.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this overview helpful. If you have further questions or would like to see an expanded demonstration of Briefcam's video content analytics platform, please reach out to us at briefcambootcamp@briefcam.com or visit briefcam.com.